Yash Rashi Patidar.
Yes, ma'am.
Let us know about yourself.
Okay. So, hi, ma'am. I'm Rashi Patidar, pursuing BCA from Sage University. I have prior knowledge about HTML, CSS, C++, and currently working on Python. Apart from this, I have a strong interest in designing also, and proficient in tool like Canva. Uh, uh, I have gained two certificates. One from HackerRank, which is Python basic certificate, and second is Data Analytics Job Stimulation certificate, which is from Deloitte, in which I have worked with raw data to get insights from the data and created a dashboard. Created a interactive dashboard. I wanted to become a software developer. My hobbies is sketching and playing badminton and listening to music. My strength is that I'm a quick learner, get comfortable around people quickly. That's it.
Then what is your weakness?
Weakness, I would say in earlier I get uncomfortable while talking to someone in English, but currently I'm improving it and get confidence about English and my communication skills. I'm improving on my communication skills.
Explain the Power BI.
Power BI is a tool which used to create dashboards, charts, etc. Like if we have raw data of someone, about a company, then we can create charts and different types of charts and a dashboard which can be easier to get understand about the trends and insights. Like we can gain some knowledge about the
In Excel, we also make a chart. And how is beneficial Power BI
Power BI is
instead of Excel?
Power BI is currently in trend because it have some extra features, we can say, like we can create, we can align our Excel data and transfer it from Excel to Power BI directly. We can use it as a different software. Like in a company, we work with Power BI more.
Why they work? Because it has some any advantage, or
They like Power BI offers different kind of features which cannot be used in Excel. That's why.
what is data analyst?
Data analytics analysis means when we get some data about something like a company, then we analyze the data and create some KPIs charts and get knowledge about trends and how beneficial it was, and we can get some information about the from the data.
Let us know what is Python and basic features of Python.
Python is a programming language. Python is a high level and interpreted language which works on scripting, AI and data analytics, AI, ML, etc.
Differentiate the compiler and interpreter.
Compiler directly compile the code, but interpreter read every code line by line.
Explain the UI design.
UI design is basically the interface of something. Like we have created a website, then the front end part that is going to be on a layout of the website will be UI.
We also perform this in entity diagram, ER diagram.
Yeah.
Then why we use UI design?
UI design is more flexible and user friendly, I guess.
Okay.
Rashi, the workshop that you have mentioned here, let us know about it.
It was a Canva workshop where I delivered a workshop about the Canva, like some basic layouts and designing basics, etc.
Like you were working on this Canva project or you were leading it?
I was leading it.
Okay, so from where have you learned this designing?
Actually, I learned it from YouTube.
Okay, nice. What is data analytics in simple words? Let us know.
Data analytics means Data analytics means we can analyze the data and get useful information from that.
Let us know the difference between HTML and CSS.
HTML is a basic structure while CSS is used to design the structure. We use CSS for designing and HTML is just a basic structure. We can use it for some components and by CSS we design that components.
Rashi, would you like to work with the team or alone?
I would like to work with a team.
Why?
Because I think when we work in a team, then we gain much knowledge about the project and about everything. While working in a team, there will be a supportive and collaborative environment we gain. That's why
Where are you from, Rashi?
I'm from Shujalpur.
And how long have you been living in Indore?
In past 4 years.
Okay. Are you comfortable for the relocation?
Yes, I'm comfortable.
And what about the night shifts?
I can manage it. I'm comfortable in night shifts also.
Ma'am, do you have any question?
No, ma'am.
Okay, last question. Why should we hire you only over other candidates?
I think my qualifications and my knowledge is enough for this role, and I think I can learn. I am eager to learn more, and I will be able to perform well in your team. That's why I think you should hire me.
Okay, all right.